mics are on too. Okay, here we go. Ready, guys? Great job. Good.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the city of Leominster, the center of town. Our annual holiday stroll, although it's kind of debatable about that one today. Might be summer stroll, some of us. If you've been here before, it snowed and all that other stuff. So anyway, my name is Mr. Suara. I teach at Francis Drake, but it's my very good pleasure to introduce a very good friend of mine, super talented, more energy than I have, which is very hard to believe. And please welcome Mrs. Debbie Cardell and the Fallbrook Songbirds.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, turn it on.
I got you.
Walking down the street, got a song and a smile for everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the Songbirds, we're gonna keep on singing. This is what we are bringing, to put a little song in your heart. We're just trying to be friendly, Songbirds are heading away. We're the new generation, we got something to say. Hey, hey, we're the Songbirds, and this one we're singing for you. We hope it brings some sunshine, turns all your cloudy skies blue. Hey, hey, we're the Songbirds, we're gonna keep on singing. Music is what we are bringing, put a little song in your heart. Hey, hey, we're the Songbirds, chirp, chirp, chirping like songbirds. Chirp, chirp, chirping like songbirds. Songbirds will let you today. Yeah!
Come over to the right.
Okay, everybody stand still. Good?
Great.
Ready? Ding, ding, ding. Mariana. Ding, ding, ding. Sang that already. Bing, bing, bing.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. La 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 la, it's Christmas. La 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 la, the church bells chime. La 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 la, we're celebrating. Love is Christmas time.
dedicate this song to any veterans who cannot be home for the holidays with their families and military.
If I could write a magic song
I want a Major League bat, a doll that can chat, a puppy and a pony and a calico cat.
It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me.
I want a shiny trombone, a cellular phone, a stereo equipment, and a room of a
It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. Don't want pajamas. Don't want a toy and have to share. Oh, Santa promise. Don't bring me socks or underwear.
I want a home with a new trampoline, a colorful computer, maybe color green.
It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. Don't want pajamas. Don't want a toy I have to share. Oh, Santa promise. Don't bring me socks or underwear. No way, not fair. And on a binary train, I want to explain. I really need these presents, so I'll sing it again. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to me. It's Christmas. It's
Thank you. Go find it.
What? Oh, I'm not. That one's too short.
Songbirds. You gotta go. You gotta go. Is it Christmas? I know it. I know, I'm coming. Okay, you ready?
Out of the way.
Four lines. Four lines. Out, out, out. I'll say the line. Who's number one?
This time of year, there is so much to celebrate.
Hanukkah begins tomorrow, and Christmas and Kwanzaa will be here in a few weeks.
No matter what you're celebrating, we all have one thing in common: the need for peace and understanding for all people. Remember that what you give will always come back to you in return.
Light one candle, light one candle, light
This is our final song. I think it's probably time for our final song. Yeah, and we'd like to wish you all very happy holidays, no matter what you're celebrating. And we're very happy to be at the Stroll for another year. All the schools are very busy this time of the year. I know Mr. Zuaro is getting ready for his concert. Songbirds have a concert. Lots of other gigs leading up to the holidays. So try to find us all, and happy holidays. You guys ready? I really need to
Ladies and gentlemen, the Fallbrook Songbirds under the direction of Mrs. Debbie Cardell. Great job!